How to move layers between documents in Photoshop. So I have two documents open here, this one and this one. In the first document, if you look at the layers panel on the right, if I want to move this layers 1 to the other document, I can right click to the right of the name of the layer, which will open up this dialog, and click duplicate layer. And here it's asking, I can rename it if I like, and it's asking for the destination. I can simply drop down that and choose the other layer, or even take it to a new layer, hit OK. And now if I go to my other document, I can see that that layer 1 has been brought over. And that is one way to do it. I'm going to hit Command Z to undo that, go into my other document. Another easy way to switch layers from one document to another is to put the cursor above the icon for the layer, click to grab, drag it over into the other layer, bring it right into the middle area of the document and let go, and that will bring it in. And then I can simply place it where I like. And that is how you move layers between documents in Photoshop. If that answered your Photoshop question without wasting any of your time, I'd appreciate it if you'd give the video a like, and while you're down there, please subscribe.